Planning to take the Salesforce Admin exam in 2026? Here's your guide to the critical updates you must know. The Salesforce Admin certification is your entry into a massive tech ecosystem, with roles paying a median of $95,000 to $120,000 in the US. In 2026, Salesforce refreshed the exam to match the reality of modern admin work. This isn't just a minor update, it's a strategic shift. The new blueprint emphasizes automation with Flow Builder, data-driven decisions, and the brand new Agentforce AI platform. Passing this exam proves you have the foundational skills employers are looking for right now. Let's look at the new exam weights. The biggest change is the increased focus on data and analytics management, which is now the largest domain at 17%. Salesforce is signaling that data quality is the foundation for everything, especially AI. Meanwhile, core areas like configuration and setup have been reduced to 15%. This rebalancing means your study time needs to be reallocated. You can't rely on old study guides. You must focus on where the points are in the 2026 blueprint. Since data and analytics is now the largest section, you need to master it. This goes beyond simple reports and dashboards. You'll be tested on the key differences between data import tools. For example, can you explain when to use the Data Import Wizard, which handles up to 50,000 records, versus Data Loader, which can manage up to 5 million records and perform hard deletes? Knowing these limits and use cases for tools like duplicate rules and reporting snapshots is non-negotiable for passing. In 2026, automation means one thing: Flow Builder. Salesforce officially ended support for the classic workflow rules and process builder on December 31st, 2025. While old automations still run, they are unsupported, and all new logic must be built in Flow. The exam will present scenarios requiring you to choose the right flow type, like a before-save record-triggered flow for fast field updates, or a screen flow for user-guided wizards. Mastering Flow isn't optional, it's a core competency. The most significant new addition is the Agentforce domain, weighted at 8%. This covers Salesforce's new AI capabilities. You don't need to be an AI developer, but you must understand the admin's role in operationalizing it. This includes describing Agentforce use cases, managing prompts in the prompt builder, and understanding the security considerations of the Einstein trust layer. This section is only about 5 questions, but mastering the basics from Trailhead's official learning path is crucial for a passing score. So how do you pass? Success depends on hands-on practice. Reading PDFs isn't enough. You must get a free developer edition org and spend time building everything you learn. Follow a structured plan, dedicating more time to the heavily weighted domains like data and analytics and automation. Be prepared for tricky scenario questions by practicing with exam-like questions that test your reading comprehension. The passing score is 65%. But the indirect wording makes every question count. Practice is the key to building confidence. Ready to start preparing? Don't leave your success to chance. Visit the full exam guide on our blog for a detailed 8-week study plan, a complete breakdown of every domain, and more insider tips. Best of all, you can jump into our free Salesforce Admin practice exam right now to test your knowledge and find your weak spots. Click the link in the description to get started.